How to enable auto delete old messages on Android. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can easily enable auto delete old messages on your Android device. Let's just get started right into it. First thing first, you want to do is open up your default messaging app. You can do that by going over to Samsung Messages if you're on a Samsung device, or any other options as well. Just open it up. From here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From this option, all you have to do is make sure you've enabled Recycle Bin. If not, just go ahead and tap on Settings. Once you are on your settings menu, you'll find this Recycle Bin option. Make sure you toggle this on, and then make sure the other setting is turned on as well. And once you turn it on, your deleted contacts will be saved there. If you want, you can recover them, or if not, you can easily throw them out and delete it permanently. That's how you basically do it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.